Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question number 5, which is longest palindromic substring. And in this, we'll be having a substring, and from that substring we have to we'll be having a string, and from that string we have to return the longest possible substring. Okay, longest palindromic substring. Okay, so let's move to the explanation. So in the first test case, we'll be given a string which is BABAD, and we have to return BAB. As we can see that BAB is a palindromic substring. Other than this, ABA could also be a possible answer. Okay, so in the next test case, okay, just let me do this. Yeah, so in the next test case, we can say that only possible palindromic substring is BB. Okay, so in this, what we'll be doing, we'll be using an approach which is known as expand around center. So from that, let's say we are having BAD, and let's say we'll be starting from this, and we'll be checking for this index and then this index, and similarly this will be returning with length as 1 because we are having no element, no character at left. So if we start from here, we'll be checking that if left and right elements are equal, we'll be moving left minus minus and right plus plus while being in the boundaries. Okay, so here we can find that BAB is a possible substring. Okay, so other than this, and it is also the currently longest. So next, let's move to this index. Here we'll be checking that A. Okay, let me just change the color of the pen. Okay, let's check for this index and then this index. We are having A and A are same. So what we'll be doing, we'll be moving left pointer to this index and right to this, and here it is not equal. So ABA will be another possible substring. ABA. Okay, its length is also 3, and as we can see that length of both the substrings are same, which is 3. So we can return either of the strings. Okay, so there's not much with the pseudocode. Let's directly move to the coding window. Okay, and let's firstly declare two variables and start, and we'll be pointing to 0, and these are basically two pointers. And then we'll also be pointing towards 0 because that would be the longest possible substring if we are having unique characters in that. Okay, so let's say use a for loop, and I equal to 0, I less than s dot length, and then I plus plus. Okay, so let's write a let me zoom in just expand around center s comma I, because with this condition we'll be checking that we can find that either it could be of odd length or it could be of even length, so we'll be checking for both the cases. Then again we'll be checking for expand around center s comma I plus 1. Okay, so now let's write this function private void. Okay, so we'll be declaring a void function expand around center. Okay, so it will be taking input as string s, and we'll be having a left pointer and then a right pointer. Okay, so what we'll be doing while left is greater than and equal to 0 and right pointer is less than length of the string. And okay, so then we'll be checking, okay, no semicolon, this condition that s dot char at left should be equal to s dot char at right. Okay, then while this condition is true, we'll be moving left pointer to the left and right pointer to the right. Okay, and in this, after this for loop, we'll be making it back to the zero position indexing. Left would be equal to left plus 1 and right will be equal to right minus 1. And then what we'll be doing, we'll be calculating the length, that if start, end minus start plus 1, because we have to check the length is less than right minus left plus 1. What we'll be doing, we'll be making start will be equal to left and right. Okay, end will be equal to right. Okay, and here we'll be just simply returning s dot substring start comma end plus 1. Okay, now let's submit it. Okay, it gives me compiler error. It sees error expected. Okay, oh sorry, here I forgot to write the condition. Okay, yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.